Hey guys, it's me, Mirab.
And Mariam.
We are at our grandma's house and we couldn't find something, so we took a trip to a little shop and found some cool stuff. So we're gonna show you guys what we found. So first of all, it's this blue pen. It's Mariam's. Would you like to tell what about this pen? Oh, okay. So it's like a little face over here, and it has a witch hat on top, which is so cool, and all these little shimmery stuff. And let's see how this writes. See, and I like this part. It's so glittery. So we're gonna move on to the next item, which is a silver glass. I thought it was so beautiful, and it will look great in our doll houses, like a decoration. See, it looks so great everywhere. Next item is these little nails. Well, they're for me, but not for the dolls. These are so pretty, and I just couldn't help myself, and I bought these. So pretty. I like the nail paint on it. And we have a little basket over here with chocolates. This one is Mariam's, and mine is right in here. And these are Mariam's erasers. Go.
I bought 2 of them because I love these cute little strawberries.
Yep, and on the last of the video, we're gonna open these little baskets and see what's inside. Oh, this is my little sister's sharpener. It looks like a TV, so we bought it, and it will look great in the dollhouse. Oh, look, your view is so pretty, like a little town. See? I have one too, but it's not like so pretty. Then you have this cool little basket. It's so cool. It's silver, and I love all the details around it. So pretty. Next up is my favorite pen. Like when mommy said that I bought stuff for you guys, Mariam put her hand in the shopper and she found this pen. I said, "Can you give it to me?" She said, "No, I like this. This is mine." Then I was looking around and I found this cool sequins pen. The sequins is so beautiful. I love sequins. Actually, the reversible sequins, it's just so fun to do this. I can do this like whole day. Next up is my balls. Now, I really don't need those balls, but I had to make a video which is gonna come next week, so that's why we have to ball. If you guys know which video I'm gonna make with these balls, comment down below. Okay, so I think that's all. No, this is Mariam's pen. I like it so much. Let me show you all about this. Go. This pen has so many colors. You can write in all different colors. See, like this one, it's, let me see. Oh, it's kind of red. Now, then you click this button at the top and you can put another color here. This one is purple. You cannot really see it because it's really light. Oh, there, you can see it. So it has all different colors like teal, yellow, purple, dark green, brown, dark blue, black, orange, purple, red. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, purple was. Yeah, so good. And I think that's all. And I forgot to show you this. Or I showed you guys this. I don't remember. So I think my view is totally like little kids' cartoons. And her view is kind of cool. I love this one more. Maybe like it's her favorite color. So maybe can we exchange?
No.
No. Okay, so no.
I asked you in the shop.
Yeah, she asked me if I can get like pink TV, but I said no, I want pink. But her view is so cool. Check it out, guys. There are like little shops and this little car over here. Mine is like a little poem. See that a little kid is watching some poems on the TV. So, and we're gonna be opening these little baskets. We have 2 of those, so let's get started. Oh, I actually have to open this with one hand, which is gonna be so hard.
And open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can help me. You know what? I'm just gonna open. it by myself.
Okay.
Because I have a magic wand. See? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Thanks. It opened it for us. So let's see what we have. Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So we have these little biscuits. It says love biscuits. And are these the same? Yep, same biscuits. Doubles. Just kidding. These are not doubles.
Ooh, there's a candy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have one too. Then I don't know
Kinda
what this
sticky.
is.
Kind of sticky. Ew, there's something on it.
Oh, I don't know. I'm just gonna put it aside, so
Ew.
I don't want to touch that. So there we go. Oh,
Mine.
oh no! It fell inside. Oh, I guess it's okay. I don't know what is this. It's like Nimco. Yeah, it's Nimco. Cool. Ew! This liquid thing is all here too. It's a little a Minta little
Mine,
candy.
everything is perfect.
Oh no, mine is so bad.
Yay! Lucky day, right?
Yeah, and I
Ooh,
got
love it.
in the last. I have this
love it
smart biscuit. It's also a biscuit, but mine is kind of opened here from here, and it's all liquidy. So I'm not gonna be eating this. Actually, I'm just gonna be using this
There's
little
something
basket.
on the side.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Ugh. So looks like the only thing that I can eat is this little biscuit and Nimco. We had
Eat everything.
yeah. Well, we had a lot of fun opening all these stuff, but we still have a few, like this little food and these little TVs. Well, there's just normal. You can actually see it from outside, but I'm gonna open it for you.
Yep. But first we're gonna open up this.
Ugh, it's so hard. Okay, I just ripped it open. Yeah. Oh, look, guys, this little TV is like an apple. See? It's
Yeah,
so cool. It has like
My TV is
2
better
different
than
holes.
yours. Take away.
Okay. Okay.
Take a good feature.
Yeah.
Take away.
No, it's okay. Mine is still cool because babies love this. Okay, guys, you know what? Tell us down in the comments whose TV you like the most, purple or pink.
Kids TV.
Now we will see. No, purple or pink. Not kids TV, okay?
Yeah, kids TV.
No, it's not kids. Come on, like we can watch this too, kind of, right? Yeah, we can watch this too.
Alright, let's just give it an open on this.
Yeah, tell us down in the comments.
It's kind of hard. Ah! There's a cute little strawberry. Oh, I
Aw,
love it.
let me see. See, yeah, it's red with green leaves on the top.
There's a
But
pumpkin.
my favorite stuff is pumpkin because it's perfect size for dolls. and
Can they come out?
That's what I care about. Oh, little piece. Wait, why is it pink?
Yay. Look at it, but it's still the best, you guys. Look. Green and
They're
yellow.
like little balls. So
Yeah.
cute. I like this pink one. Oh no!
Where did it go?
I don't know. Okay, so I found two. Ooh! And look at this. It looks so funny, guys. Like a little leaf with holes. We can use it like a little boat, see? Like a little boat. If we are making like a story, like the ant and the bird. I don't remember the name. So we can make it like the bird with this and the ant can sit on it. But how are we going to get an ant? Like, ants are real and I don't like those. So, good luck, Mariam, finding your little bowl under the bed.
I found it.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
I can, thank goodness I'm so small so I can fit under the bed.
Yeah, like a teeny tiny.
I only fit in the bed.
And the last is this little peanut. So
Yeah.
cute. Oh, recently we went to McDonald's and we got peanut, like Charlie Brown peanut like cartoons with Snoopy, and this is perfect for like Snoopy. Maybe he can eat it. So we had a lot of fun opening all of these toys for you, and hopefully you had as much fun as you
look,
guys.
I need to show a thing to you. In this glass, if you push it out, ta-da!
Oh, you can actually put stuff inside like it. It's so cool. So if you had fun watching our video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Also,
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. And ring the little dingy little bell. And we will see you next time.
Don't forget
Bye.
to tell in the comments which TV is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.